Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a generously appointed 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom home for sale. It sits on a double corner lot of over half an acre and boasts approximately 7,000 square feet across 3 floors. It features a cut stone wall, remote gate entry, paving stone driveway, security cameras, AC units, and double car garage. Upon entering the main floor, you are greeted by an expansive open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the kitchen, living, and dining areas. This level also includes a powder room for guests, a laundry room, and a well-appointed bedroom that can serve as a guest room. The upper floor has 3 ensuite bedrooms, including the master, with walk-in his and hers closet, and an expansive bathroom with shower and jacuzzi, a seating area, and front and back balconies that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, providing a tranquil setting to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind in the evening. The lower floor includes a self-contained 1 bedroom unit with kitchen, living, and dining areas, perfect for guest or multi-generational living. Located 5 minutes from the Ian Fleming International Airport and 10 minutes from Ocho Rios, this home provides easy access to stunning beaches and resort amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.